This is going to be the second run of the cross test. For some reason I completely forgot to turn my camera on the first one. Alright, I forgot to post this video, but this is the cross test at the Whiskey Creek Sprint Enduro. This was the first time they've ever had a Sprint Enduro here, and the property is really good for Sprint Enduro because they have a lot of double track trails and whatnot. But yeah, like I said in the Enduro test video, this was the first solo race I've done all year, and I was man, I was really unprepared. And as you'll see coming up here, I keep taking the wrong line that's coming up. So we did 4 tests apiece, and instead of going inside right here, for some reason I kept going around the outside. I have no idea why I did that, but kept doing it. Sure, I lost a lot of time there, but yeah, the sand was super deep, really loose. This area hasn't had much rain, so about 3/4 of the way into this test I go down pretty good. I don't know what happened. I think I just hit my brakes, didn't have the clutch in enough, stalled, and kind of just, I was in super deep sand and just laid it down, lost some more time there. But yeah, I'm following my buddy Chris Kring here, and he made a few mistakes, and I get to his back wheel, and then I start making a bunch of mistakes, and he ends up pulling away from me. But all in all, it was a good time. It would have been a little better if we had some rain, but yeah, I'm just posting this because I totally forgot. I did the Enduro test, and then just forgot to do this cross test. But this one was really fast. Kept blowing this corner too every single test. I rode awful that day. But anyways, if you guys want to see what it was like, here it is. So yeah, better luck next time for me.
Almost went for a good ride there.